is Cortana? In today's fast-paced digital world, time management is paramount, and Microsoft's Cortana is your solution. What is Cortana is a common question asked by those curious about Microsoft's personal productivity assistant. This personal productivity assistant streamlines the tasks and keeps your focus sharp. To use Cortana, click its icon on your taskbar. To seek assistance, inquire, what are your capabilities? Cortana excels in calendar management, seamlessly updating your schedule, meeting assistance, effortlessly joining Microsoft Teams meetings, list creation, staying organized with ease, reminders and alarms to stay on top of essential tasks, information retrieval, quickly find facts and definitions, app launch, voice-activated app access on your computer. To make Cortana even more convenient, activate the Wake Word feature. Open Cortana, go to Settings, and toggle Wake Word to On. This feature is available in the latest Cortana version, specifically in the build 19041.329 or later for Windows 10. Remember, Cortana's availability varies by region, and some features may not be universally accessible. Verify your region's compatibility on Microsoft's official website. Integrate Cortana into your daily routine and watch your productivity and time management soar. Your personal assistant is primed to simplify your life.